Hello guys, this is Hidayat family again. So right now we have a trip. We want to go to restaurant. So right now we're gonna go to Halal restaurant, right Muti? What kind of restaurant is it?
Halal.
It's Halal restaurant. What's the name of the?
I don't know. Let's find it.
Let's find out. Rehan, are you excited going to restaurant? Yeah, you want it? What you wanna eat? You wanna eat a steak today? Ada Ziyad, what do you want to eat? Okay, so right now it's Friday evening. So I've been working at night time, so now it's a family time. Yeah. Okay, let's go. Going to restaurant. What's the name of the place, Luti? Let's check out. Okay. All right. So we're gonna driving around. How many minutes? Around 30 minutes? Around 30 minutes. Hi!
Where's my bed? Where's my jungle?
This is jungle?
Where's my jungle?
Yeah, inside the car. Okay, see you there in the restaurant. Bye. Kita udah nyampe. Itu tempatnya. Apa namanya? Mirchi Cafe Masala Pizza. Oke, ini sekarang ada di Dublin. Tadi kita udah kayak 30 menit gitu nyetir. Anak-anak dia masih bangun dan udah Rehan udah terlelap dengan mainannya. Kayaknya Rehan harus kita gendong nih. Okay, let's go. Are you awake? Are you awake? Let's go. We are in restaurant. We're in. Okay. You want me to carry you? Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Let's go. Ray, look at the restaurant. It's behind you. You wanna see the restaurant there? The restaurant. Mirachi Misala. Let's go. Look at that. We don't know whether there's a lot of people or not, but it look like.
Oh, cookie.
Yeah, okay, we're gonna get cookie. It look like a lot of people here.
I'll get cookie
Yeah.
to us.
In the side of the restaurant. Oh no, they have some space here. Yeah. Salah.
One.
Yeah.
I want one. I want cookie.
Okay, all right. We're gonna get cookie here. You wanna see the restaurant here behind us? Let's go. Let's order something.
Cookie. I want cookie, buddy.
Yeah.
I want cookie.
Oh, so. Yeah. Where we are now? Restaurant, Michi restaurant. Michi restaurant.
Some water for you. Some kids' waters.
Okay.
Some waters for you guys.
Yeah. Thank you.
Ready to order? One of the waiters for you guys. Ready to order?
What? There's no little instant here. This is Michi restaurant.
Our house for him.
Yes, Michi restaurant. Alright. So I want to order what's the name of it? The steak. Here. Michi steak.
Michi steak?
One Michi steak.
Sure.
And then
Did you try the sizzling black pepper steak before?
no, what's
This
that?
one is much better.
Oh, is it?
Because this one is
Okay.
coming with sauce also.
Oh, okay.
The Michi steak, it doesn't come with sauce. But this one comes with sauce and it's, it's like this in fire.
Oh, okay, yeah, I'm gonna order the one. Sizzling black
Sizzling?
pepper steak. Yeah, is it spicy? Alright.
No.
No, that's spicy. Alright.
It's not spicy.
Okay. Okay. Fries. Okay, one fries. And then one green salad. You want it?
No?
Green salad. Choose. Okay, green salad.
Green salad.
And then the other one, I'll choose one. Sizzling chicken stick.
Another one.
Yeah, another one.
Tuna.
Okay. And then this one coming with
Yes.
Alright, and then this one is I have to choose two as well?
Also. Yeah.
Alright, okay, I choose cheese garlic bread.
Cheese garlic bread.
And then
And the fries, you know, we have a spicy ranch fries, which fries comes with the ranch sauce and buffalo sauce. And there's another fries, it's called another.
I think that's all, yeah.
That's all?
Yeah, all the last one, yeah. Sure.
I'll keep you a menu if you want to check it around and you want anything else, or you're okay.
I'm okay. Yeah. Do you want to take a look again?
And you're gonna keep it for the menu.
Yeah, yeah,
We
you
have
can
a
keep
pretty
it
good
on.
dessert also too.
Yeah, sure. Alright, sure. Thank you.
Me too. Me too. Next time.
Steak kita udah sampai. Ada Jet panasan makan. Ada Jet panasan makan. Ini steaknya Muti. Ini steaknya Abi udah datang. Ini kali. Panasan sih. Nyam. 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 Cobain. Thank you. Look at here. Sizzler. Chicken sizzler. Let's try. Okay, we're gonna wash it. Yummy. Is it night time?
It is night time.
What are we gonna do in the night time?
Take shower.
Take shower. After take shower, what are we gonna?
Turn off.
All right. After take shower, what are we gonna do?
Turn off the TV.
Okay. Hey, Rehan. After take shower, what are we gonna do? Huh?
Adizet wanna show up.
Yeah.
It is night time.
Night time. All right. What are we gonna do in the night time?
Take shower.
And then after that.
Go sleep and read a book by Big Mouse.
All right. Good job. Okay, let's go home now. Bye.
Bye.
Yeah.
The car is to break.
It's to break. Why is car is break?
This is his mate.
Huh?
He want to take.
You want to take what?
Take.
It's take what?
Take.
So right now we are in Safeway right now. We're gonna buy some tea for tomorrow because tomorrow we have gathering at home. So look at Safeway here. What are we gonna buy today? Hello. What are we gonna buy today? What are we gonna buy? We are in Safeway now. Grocery store.
Look at apple. Banana at. I have banana at home.
Yeah, alright. Your banana at home. Okay. Let's go. Abi wanna find out some tea for tomorrow.
Take tomorrow.
Yeah, this one. The tea you want it.
200.
Oh, here, some tea. Here's some tea behind us. Look at that. Which tea do you want?
This one tea.
This one. No, it's not tea. This. Here.
This crocodile tea.
Look at that. They have a diet snap apple.
Diet tea.
Snapple. That. Which tea you want it? Sweet tea? You want a sweet tea?
Or sweet tea.
Alright. Okay, how many we gonna buy? Gonna buy 2 gallon?
1, 2. Give this one.
1 gallon? Oh, 2 gallon. So we're gonna buy 2 tea, okay? 2 gallon of tea, okay? Alright, let's go. That here the tea we're gonna buy. What's that, Rehan? It's express takeout.
This a scratch.
What's that?
Scratch.
No, it's chocolate.
But it is chocolate.
Yeah, that's chocolate.
Chocolate. It's not chocolate.
What's that? Cadbury. Come here, Rehan.